Hello student, we go over Q7, Descartes' rules of sign. Okay, so let's move the tool up here. Okay, so now take a look over here. We want to find out if the polynomial function have exactly three positive real zero. Okay, so now we go and we see g of x has how many times of sign change. Okay, you can see here this is positive to positive, so no sign change. Positive to positive, no sign change. So we have no sign change. Okay, so we have zero positive real zero. So over here they ask you for 3. We don't have it. So the answer we would click on no. Okay. Let's click on no. Ka-ching. Okay. Let's do the next one. Same thing over here. They ask for exactly 4 positive real zero. Okay. So if they ask for positive, so we go to h of x and find how many times we have sign change. So this is positive 1 to negative 6, so 1 time. Negative 6 to 2, positive 2, the 2 time. And then positive 2 to negative 9, so 3 times. Okay? So we have, if we have 3 times of sign change, 3 times of sign change, so we should have either 3 or 1 positive real zero. Positive real zero. Thank you. And now, but take a look over here. They ask for 4. We don't have 4. We have either 3 or 1. So the answer is a no again. Okay? So I click on no. Ka-ching. Alright. Same thing over here. They ask for positive. Okay? Exactly 2 positive. So now, if a positive, so we rely on f of x. Okay, so now let's see how many times we have sign change. Positive 1 to negative 9, so 1 time. Negative 9 to positive 3, 2 times. 3 to negative 4, another time. Okay, so we have 3. So 3 times of sign change. So we should have either 3 or 1 positive real zero. Positive real zero. Okay, so here we go. Let's double check. 1 time, 2 time, 3 time. Alright, so they ask for 2, so we don't have it. So I click on no. Okay, click on no. Here we go. Voila. So I can, right here. I can keep the whole thing, but I'll let the erase it, not a big deal. Okay, so here we go. They ask if we have exactly 1 positive real zero. Okay, so now take a look at the sign change of g of x. Okay, 1 to negative 4 1 time, negative 4 to 4 2 time. Okay, so we got 2 times of sign change. So we should have either 2 or 0 positive real zero. Okay, so here we go. But they ask for 1. We don't have 1. We have either 2 or 0. So I click on no. Let me double check. Yeah, that's it. Here we go. No. Voila. Okay. Let's see. Now we move on to the negative. Okay, we move on to the negative. So take a look over here. They ask you if the function have exactly 1 negative real zero. Okay, so negative, you have to go and calculate h of negative x. Okay, so let's find it. H of negative x. Okay, so take a look over here. We can do it really slow. Okay, so negative x power to the 6, negative 5, and then negative x power to the 5th, and then negative 5, negative x square, and then negative 5. Okay, so now pay attention over here. this is power even and power even, so it's not affected. Okay, so we come out at the same at x power to the 6, and this one the same as x squared. No sign change. Okay, but this one is an odd. Okay, this is an odd, so it should come out at plus 5 and then x power to the 5th. Okay, and in the back we have negative 5. So now take a look and see how many times we have sign change. We have from positive 5 to negative 5, so that one time. That's it. So one time. So one time of sign change. So we should have one negative. Okay, this time they ask for negative real 0. 0. Okay, so take a look over here. They ask for exactly 1, so the answer is a yes. The answer is a yes. All right, click on it. Let me double check. This is ooh, where's that? I'm missing the negative power 3. Hold on. I'm missing of this part. Okay, so this one, this is 6, this is 5. How do I miss it? Okay, let's put it in. Negative 5 x power, negative x here, power to the 3rd. All right, so I'm missing of that. So it come out plus 5. Oh my God, plus 5. And then x power to the 3rd. All right, so I'm missing that. How do I miss that? Okay, so let's erase this. Here we go. Okay, so now take a look. Positive 5 to positive 5, nothing changed. So regardless, we still have only one time of sign change. All right, one time of sign change. Here we go. Right here, from positive 5 to negative 5. All right, so the answer is yes. Here we go. Voila, submit. Correct. Okay, so we do the same thing over here. This time they ask for exactly 0 negative. Okay, so we pay attention. This is negative. So we have to calculate of f negative x. Okay, so negative x, let's rewrite it over here. Okay, f of negative x. So right here, we put the x, negative x in, power to the 5th, and then subtract a, negative x, power to the 4, plus a, negative x square, and then subtract 4. Okay? So pay attention over here. This is even power, so you put negative x, it come out the same. Okay? It come out the same. Okay, negative 4 in the back come out the same. But over here, this is power odd, so it should come out at negative x to the 5th. Okay, so now let's count the number of sign change. Okay, negative to negative, no sign change. Negative to positive, so one sign change. And then a to negative 4, one sign change. So total two times of sign change. Okay, so we either have 2 or 0. Okay, negative, real 0. Real 0. Okay, so they ask for exactly 0, so the answer is a yes. Okay. So Jamie, take a look over here. Jamie, remember you said earlier you have to subtract by 2, so it come out either 2 or 0. All right. So I click 0. Is the answer is yes. All right. I submit. Voila. You see that? You got that? Thank you so much. Let's do a couple more, and that's it. We're done. Okay. So now this time they ask you if the function have exactly 3. Negative, all right? So if it's negative, you have to calculate g of negative x, okay? So calculate of g of negative x, okay? So take a look over here, negative x power to the 5th plus 9 negative x power to the 3rd plus 2 negative x, and then plus 2 over here. Okay, so if you pay attention over here, this is odd power, so it should come out at negative x power to the fifth. Okay, and this is 9, all right, become negative 9 x power to the third. This one clearly come out negative 2x and then plus 2 in the back. So let's see how many times we have side chain. Negative sign to negative sign, no side chain. Negative 9 to negative 2, no side chain. And now negative 2 to positive 2. So one side chain. But they asked for 3. They asked for 3. So the answer had to be a no. Alright? So one time of side change. So we have only one negative real zero. But they asked for 3, so the answer had to be a no. Okay, here we go. The answer is a no. Submit. Voila. Alright. So now this time it go back to positive. So positive, here it exactly one positive real zero. Okay? So now take a look how many times we have side chain. Positive to negative one time. Negative to negative, nothing. Negative to negative, nothing. Negative to negative, nothing. Negative to positive, one more. Okay? And then positive to negative, one more. So 3 times. So 3 times of side change. So we have either 3 or 1 positive real zero. Okay? Now they ask you for 1, exactly 1. So the answer is yes. Okay? So the answer is yes. Alright, here we go. Click it. Amazing. Do we have enough? Should I do one more? One more. Let's do the last one over here. Okay? This time they ask for if the function have exactly 4 negative. Okay? So negative. So negative, you have to calculate f of negative x. Okay? So let's write down over here. So negative x power to the 6th. Okay? 6 negative x power to the 5th. Alright? Negative 4 negative x power to the 4. 3 negative x power to the 3rd. Negative 3 negative x square. And then negative 2 times negative x. And the last one is plus 7. Okay? So now take a look over here. This is even power. So stay the same. So I can write down f of negative x equal x power to the 6th. Okay? This one come out negative 4 x power to the 4. And this one come out negative 3 x squared. In the back, plus 7 stay the same. Okay? And now over here, this is the power is odd. This is number 5. So you come out at negative 6 x power to the 5th. Alright? This one you come out 3 x cubed. And then this one clearly is plus 2x. Okay? So let's see how many times we have side chain. Positive, negative, 1 time. And then negative to positive 1 time. So 2 times. So we don't have 4. We don't have 4. So the answer is a no. Good morning, this is Mr. Ho. Very good, thank you. Oh, long story. I'll make it short. I did not go to prom, so there's no video from me. I will explain to you. Yes, I know. I will explain to you. Alright, thank you so much. Bye-bye. Okay, so no, 2 times side chain, 2 times of side change. So we have only either 2 or 0, negative, real 0. Okay, 0. But now they ask for 4. We don't have it, so the answer is a no. All right? Click on no, submit.